We asked a complete stranger if we could clean his vehicle for absolutely free. The vehicle was very dirty from his 6 kids and huge dog. Make sure to watch till the end to see this transformation. So we just arrived to the perfect neighborhood. If you look over here, we found the perfect house, I think. From what I know, this guy has 6 kids and a really big dog. So I'm hoping his vehicle is extra dirty and we got a great surprise for him today.
Huh?
You see the van? Hi. So we're doing a video project where basically we're asking people if we can clean their car for free. We have all the detailing equipment with us and everything.
For real?
Yeah, for real, yeah.
You sure you want to do mine?
I think we do, yeah. Is it dirty or?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure.
Yeah, if you don't mind. We'll definitely do that. Okay guys, so this is the beauty we're working with today. As you can see, it's a family van. He has 6 kids and a very big dog. You can definitely see all the dirt that's been building up on it over time. Ow.
Yes, some
kid probably peed in it.
Hey guys, so the van's all done. Sven peed himself, he's running away with the shop towel there. So he's clearly a pro at this. Anyways, the van is done. We're gonna grab the owner here and get his reaction. He was coming out earlier with all his kids. Maybe he'll bring out those, or them as well.
Oh, dog.
Oh, big dog.
The big dog.
Jeez, thank you.
You want to come check it out?
Yeah, man. Lead on. Wow. You can actually see the carpet.
Yeah.
That looks really good, actually.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
It took a little bit.
The dash too. Have a good look at the dash.
Wow. You guys really cleaned it up.
Yeah.
Hopefully that lasts.
I had,
Yeah,
to, use
like-
I had to use a pick
like
to get
a
all the
couple
gunk
days?
out.
Yeah, a couple of days, yeah.
Until the kids get in and decide to climb over my seat. But
Yeah.
this is actually looks really good.
Okay, thanks again.
Hey guys,
Okay,
thanks
take
so much,
care.
man.
Glad you enjoyed
Take
that.
care, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.